Welcome back. Now, we have our tables here, but what if we wanted to delete something? Let's say Sally decides to, let's try that again. Let's say Sally wants to just not be part of this app anymore, and she's going to remove her user. Well, she can send a request, and on the back end, we can simply do delete the table name, users, and then we say, which user? Well, we can use the where keyword, and here say name equals Sally. If I press enter, oh, and with delete, we actually have to do delete from. So delete from users where name equals Sally, and we have one delete. If I do select star from users, there you go. Sally's gone. All right, I think we're done with this example. Let's delete these tables. How can we do that? We can just drop table and say login. Login has been removed. And then drop table users. If I look at what tables we have no relations, no tables. All right. Good job getting this far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.